Because of the proliferation of the internet, business practices all around the world have undergone profound changes. E-commerce, often known as the purchasing and selling of products and services over the internet, is now an essential component of our day-to-day existence. In this video, we will investigate the mechanics of e-commerce and talk about vital techniques for growing your online business in an increasingly competitive digital industry. Before we start discussing, make sure to click that subscribe button and become part of our YouTube family. The emergence of the e-commerce revolution, the online commercial district. The internet has fundamentally altered the method in which companies interact with their clientele. E-commerce has enabled the creation of a worldwide marketplace in which consumers and sellers are able to interact without regard to physical location. Customers who shop online nowadays have come to anticipate ease, a variety of options, and a more individualized experience, rapidly increasing prosperity. The COVID-19 pandemic contributed further to the acceleration of the expansion of e-commerce as a result of consumers turning to the ease and safety of online shopping. Consumer behavior has been irrevocably altered as a result of this transformation, which has made e-commerce the preeminent form of retailing. Taking your online company to the next level. Improve the quality of the user experience. The development of a user experience that is easy to understand and unbroken is of the utmost importance. Make sure that your website is optimized for mobile devices, that it's simple to navigate, and that the pages load quickly. Make an investment in a design that is easy to use and offer detailed product descriptions along with high-quality photographs. Make decisions based on data. The e-commerce industry is sitting on a veritable treasure when it comes to data. Utilizing analytics tools, one can examine patterns in customer behavior, sales trends, and traffic to a website. Make use of this information to better target your marketing efforts, expand your product selection, and fine-tune your pricing tactics. Make use of content marketing and social media to your advantage. Participate in conversations with your target audience using various social media sites. Create material that resonates with your target audience by educating them, keeping them entertained, and providing them with value through a content marketing strategy you've developed. Use advertising on social media platforms to reach a larger pool of potential customers. Increase the number of products available. Expand the kinds of goods you sell so that you can appeal to more customers. Carry out research on the market to find items or niches that are now trending and have the potential to develop. When trying to enhance the total value of an order, you should think about using complementary products to cross-sell and upsell. Simplify the process of managing inventory. It is essential to have effective inventory management. Install tracking systems for the inventory to enable real-time monitoring of the stock levels. Take advantage of dropshipping or the services of a third-party logistics provider to cut down on the cost of warehousing and increase order fulfillment. Put money into providing service to customers. A trustworthy and loyal customer base is built on top of excellent customer service. Make available a variety of contact options for dealing with customer questions and ensure prompt responses. Respond in a fast and professional manner to problems raised by customers. Increase safety and trust in organizations. Protect the data of your customers by implementing stringent cybersecurity procedures. To reassure customers about the safety and dependability of your online store, it is helpful to display trust signals such as SSL certifications and reviews left by previous customers. Optimize for online and mobile shopping. The prevalence of mobile commerce is growing. Make sure that your website is mobile-friendly by giving it a responsive layout and streamlining the purchasing process so that it is easier to complete. Concerns and things to take into account. The marketplace. The market for online goods is extremely cutthroat. Maintain an awareness of the latest developments in your business and strive for continuous innovation to stay one step ahead of the competition. The process of logistics and fulfillment. The effective execution of orders and collaboration with dependable logistics partners are both vital. If you deliver late or make mistakes, it could hurt your reputation. The expenses involved in digital marketing. It's easy for the costs of digital advertising to build up quickly. Create a marketing strategy that minimizes costs while achieving the highest possible return on investment. Individualization of service for the client. The success of an e-commerce venture frequently depends on how effectively the business understands and satisfies its customers. Make use of information about customers to develop more individualized shopping experiences. Install recommendation engines that will make product suggestions based on a user's previous purchases or browsing behavior. Delivering relevant material and offers to customers through personalized email marketing campaigns is another way to encourage client loyalty. Expansion into other international markets. Growing your internet business to a significant level may require penetrating new geographic areas. Carry out exhaustive market research with the goal of locating regions with expansion potential. Take into account things like the cultural norms and preferences of the area as well as any legislative obligations. It is essential to localize your website's content as well as its payment choices in order to achieve success in foreign markets. Payment options and optimization of the checkout process. Simplifying the steps required to complete a purchase can have a considerable influence on conversion rates. Make a number of payment methods available to customers, including the most common gateways for online payments and mobile wallets. Install purchasing options that only require one click or allow customers to check out as guests to cut down on friction and shopping cart abandonment. Resilience of the supply chain. Your ability to recover quickly from disruptions in the supply chain, such as those caused by international crises or natural catastrophes, is absolutely necessary. In order to guarantee the availability of your products, you should use a variety of different suppliers and think about contingency plans. Investigate the possibility of forming connections with a number of different logistics suppliers in order to keep your delivery options flexible. Strategies for keeping existing customers. While expanding your customer base through new purchases is important, it's just as important to keep the people you already have. To encourage customers to make additional purchases, you should establish customer loyalty programs, subscription models, or referral schemes. Post-purchase interaction can increase both customer happiness and loyalty. Some examples of post-purchase engagement include order tracking and follow-up emails, pricing strategies that are more competitive and offer more value. Maintaining your pricing approach under constant scrutiny is necessary to stay competitive. You can alter your rates based on the conditions of the market and how your competitors are pricing their products with the assistance of price optimization tools and dynamic pricing algorithms. Put your attention on effectively conveying your one-of-a-kind value proposition to set your business out in a competitive market. Regulatory compliance and the protection of private information. Maintaining compliance with the legislation governing e-commerce and the laws governing data privacy is of the utmost importance. Get yourself acquainted with the local and international laws that govern online commerce, taxation, and consumer protection. Protecting client data and avoiding legal concerns both require that your data handling processes comply with applicable privacy laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Environmental responsibility and moral standards of conduct. The purchase of environmentally conscious and ethically sourced goods is becoming increasingly important to customers. Think about incorporating environmentally responsible business practices into your supply chain and fostering responsible sourcing. It is important to communicate your dedication to sustainability, as doing so may resound with clients who are environmentally sensitive. Ongoing and persistent innovation. E-commerce is a dynamic industry that is characterized by rapidly developing consumer demands and technologies. Investing in research and development is essential to maintaining your competitive edge and staying current. To improve the quality of the shopping experience, investigate the use of emerging technologies such as augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and voice commerce. The dynamics of electronic commerce are constantly shifting, mostly as a result of shifting patterns of consumer behavior and the development of new technologies. To successfully scale your online business, you will need to be flexible, get insights powered by data, and remain dedicated to improving your customers' experiences. Those who embrace these techniques will be well-positioned to prosper in the digital marketplace as the e-commerce industry continues to expand and evolve. E-commerce is more than just an online marketplace for the purchase and sale of goods. Rather, it is a dynamic ecosystem in which the focus must be on innovation and the satisfaction of customers. To summarize, expanding your online business in the current e-commerce environment is a never-ending journey that requires flexibility, a focus on the needs of the consumer, and an active participation in the process of change. You may position your e-commerce business for sustainable growth and success in the digital marketplace by concentrating on personalization of the shopping experience for customers, expansion into international markets, simplification of business procedures, resilience of supply chains, and ethical business practices. Maintain a keen awareness of the tendencies in the industry, and in order to keep one step ahead of the competition, be ready to welcome innovation as it appears. If you want to watch more of us, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.